In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave a project in Asana if you've wrapped up your part of a project or simply don't need to follow its updates anymore. Leaving the project is a clean way to declutter your workspace and stop receiving notifications. Here's how to do it smoothly and make sure nothing important gets lost along the way. First, open Asana in your browser or desktop app and sign in. Make sure you're in the correct organization or workspace, especially if you're a member of multiple teams. This helps you land in the right place before you make any changes. Next, open the project you want to leave. You can find it from the sidebar, your recent projects, or by using the search bar at the top. Double check that you're inside the correct project by looking at the project title and the task list or board view. It's easy to click a similarly named project by mistake. At the top of the project, look for the share area in the header. Right beside it, you'll see the member icon, often showing profile images or a count of members. Click that member icon to open the list of people who currently have access to the project. A panel or pop-up will appear displaying all project members and their roles. In that list, look for your own name. If there are many members, you can quickly scan or, if available, use the search field within the panel to find yourself faster. Verifying your entry here ensures you're changing the right access. Once you find your name, look for a small drop-down arrow next to it. Click that arrow to reveal options related to your membership. This is where Asana groups controls like permissions and your ability to remove yourself. Choose Leave Project. As soon as you click that option, you'll be removed from the project's member list. The project will no longer appear in your sidebar or project list, and you'll stop receiving notifications and updates from it. Any tasks currently assigned to you will still exist and remain visible in your My Tasks view, so your personal to-dos aren't lost. If you ever need access again, you can be re-invited by a project member or follow your team's standard process to rejoin. That's it. You've successfully left the project and tidied up your workspace. Quick tip: before leaving, it's a good idea to confirm that any responsibilities you no longer own are clearly assigned to the right person, so the team can keep moving without interruption. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, go ahead and repeat these steps for any other projects you no longer need to follow and enjoy a cleaner, quieter Asana.